Well, go on, everybody. Lennox here from S123 Trader. Just going to go over a snippet of last night's uh, playbook for our Simple123 members. And this, of course, is a little video snippet of the US dollar futures index. We always take a look at the US dollar futures index in order to play the major pairs. And this is just a preview of just one of the currencies that we look at. Okay, so let me just play that to show you what my analysis was for Sunday, July 19th. Okay, here we go. 4-hour time frame. Okay, very choppy up and down, but we're in a channel and we're just moving up and down in the channel. The last 1, 2, 3 top would be right here. There we get the death cross forming, and we're on the way down again. So we're looking to come back down towards the bottom of our channel, and of course the lower support area. Okay, and on the 1-hour time frame, now this is 1, 2, 3 top, death cross, and we are on our way down. So probably going to get a little bit of a bounce in here, but we're not going long. We're looking to continue the move to the downside. Okay, so this is the overall direction. We're still weakness in the US dollar, and we're looking for 1, 2, 3 tops to continue down tonight. All right. Okay, so that was the analysis from last night's playbook. So let's see how the US dollar ended up today. And looking at the actual chart here, and you can see this is the daily time frame. So I'll drop it. So on the daily, we're on our way down. I'll drop down to the 4-hour time frame just to follow what I did in the video. And let me just first quickly take the time session breaks off. Okay, there we go. All right, so I'm in this, like I said, we're in this channel. We're heading down, and we're looking for a move to continue to the downside from this area here. And I said that we would likely probably get a little bounce in here to the upside, but we don't want to go long. We want to continue down. Okay, so dropping to the 1-hour time frame. This is again the 1, 2, 3 top that I pointed out. Just move down, we get a bounce. We don't want to go long. We just want to continue to the downside. Okay, and we're looking for primarily for tops. And you got another bounce here, but it's still heading to the downside. So right now we're at support currently. So a little breather, but a weak US dollar overall for plays with the major pairs. All right, so as an example, let's take a look at, let's take a look at some of the major pairs real quickly and get an idea of what transpired. So Aussie US dollar, for example. Okay, that catching this is the 1-hour time frame, catching the 1, 2, 3 bottom on that would have given you any of those giving you some nice pips to the upside on Aussie US dollar, because the US dollar was weak. Even Bitcoin, you could have possibly caught a move at this point to the upside. Okay, on Euro US dollar, the same type of strategy. I could have caught this move to the upside. Okay, and GBP US dollar. Okay, this one is a huge move. Call this one out nicely. That's a beautiful move on GBP. Very strong against the US dollar. Okay, and we could even look at New Zealand. Do we have New Zealand there? We don't have New Zealand there. USD CAD. Let's take a look at USD CAD. So that's going to be the opposite, of course, because it's moving down. So it's doing exactly what the US dollar is doing. And that was the move to the downside for USD CAD. And then lastly, USD Japanese yen would be a similar type of move as well, from this level down to that level here. Now it's moving back up again because the US dollar has reached a base. Okay, so that's the kind of plays that the members can look to jump into once we pinpoint what the US dollar futures index is doing. All right, so thank you. I'm done now.